Hey you guys, welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Just Behaving. I'm back with another video, and I'm going to show you guys how I got these French chrome mini kawaii nails using the BtArtBox 3-in-1 soft gel system. Y'all, I absolutely love these tips. Like, they come with instructions. It's really simple to use, and if you on the go, you need something quick or a quick set that doesn't look too cheap, y'all, get these. It's worth the $40. It comes with a wide variety of different styles, and look how many sets come inside of this box. So I think it's definitely worth the price point. So right now, as you guys can see, I'm just getting a fresh pack because y'all see I've been using them. And these are how my nails look right now. I know they look real dusty and crunchy, but we're gonna go ahead and get that together. So I'm going in with pushing back my cuticles just so I can prep my nails properly, because I want these to last about 2 weeks. I personally don't keep them longer than 2 weeks because I feel like they dull out and they don't look as good. But 2 weeks for me is perfect. I don't need these to last me a month. Like, I think that's overdoing it. So I'm pushing my cuticles back. Then I'm going to go in with this cuticle bit. And this is the one that I've been using lately. It doesn't cause any harsh lines on my nails or remove too much of my nail bed, and it does what it needs to do for my cuticles. So lately this has been my preferred cuticle bit, and y'all, I done changed cuticle bits so many times, but this one has been really doing what it needs to do for me. So I'm just going around my cuticle area, moving it around, and I'm using a really low speed. It's about probably like 8 or 7 RPM, nothing too high. And I'm going to go ahead and do that on each finger. Alright, now I'm going to go ahead and go in with my sanding band just to remove, like, you know, that first little layer that has oils and stuff like that off of my nail bed, so that the nails can properly adhere and they don't pop off sooner than I would like them to. And now I'm going to go in with some base coat, and I'm going to apply that to all of my nails. So the method that I'm going to be using is going to be with this 4-in-1 nail gel from makartt. So this method for me has been working rather than putting on glue to my nails, because the nail glue isn't going to last me 2 weeks. And the one that I had bought, the 28-day BtArtBox nail glue that I had bought, it wasn't nail glue, it was like a gym glue, and it really hurt my nails. So I was just like, let me try to do like some type of gel-X vibes. So I got this makartt 4-in-1 glue gel, and this is going to be my first time using it. From the reviews that I read about it, it was basically saying that you can adhere nails with it, you know, do the little nail designs like with the swirly, squiggly little pieces and stuff like that. So I was like, let me try it out and see how it works. And it comes with instructions and everything. So I'm just putting the press-on nail on my nail just to make sure it fits. And y'all, I was kind of rushing because I had a baby shower to go to. So my thumbs, I used the wrong size, but it is what it is. They still came out cute. But I ended up over filing it. So you want to be sure, like, you file the nail in the cuticle area to the shape of your nail, because everybody's nail bed or cuticle area is not that square or unrounded. So I basically went in with that mini hand file and just made sure that it worked on my cuticle. And then I applied it to my liking. I was like, okay, this is good because I got to go. So now I'm going in with the 4-in-1 nail glue. And as you guys can see, it's a really, really, really super thick consistency. It's not something that's like watery or anything. It feels like, I don't even know how to explain the texture. It feels moldable, basically. It's not super watery. It's not like polygel, like super sticky, but you can mold it. So I'm going in with this brush, and I'm just pressing that onto the nail, and I'm just molding it around the nail because I'm like, okay, I want to get in there. As you guys can see, I'm like pushing it in because, you know, the brush bristles are really soft. So I'm just trying to spread it out as much as I can. But y'all, don't worry about it because it's gonna adhere, even though it's not tacky or sticky or anything like that, because I was a little concerned. I'm like, how is this gonna work? I hope it works. I hope it doesn't work like a nail form and then pop off. But when I did it, y'all, I was just pressing into it, and it didn't have any smell or anything. So I was like, okay, let's see how makartt does. And usually I've been happy with makartt's products, so I was like, let me see what it does for me. So I went in with it, pressed as much as I could, pushed it in, because I didn't want it to be too thick to where the press-on nail didn't fit around my nail. And this was the first one that I did, so you know, you're gonna make little mistakes and stuff like that. So I was like, this is just a test run to see if it'll work. So then I pushed it in there, pressed it onto the nail, and I was like, how is this supposed to work? How? So then I pushed the nails flat down because I have a wider nail bed. So then it fit on perfect like how I wanted it to fit on. So I'm just pressing that in there, making sure that it's secure and not moving. And then I'm gonna go in under the lamp and flash cure it for about 30 seconds because I have to put it under the nail lamp when I'm done with the full set and everything. So I got that one on, and now I'm gonna do the same step. I'm gonna work around the cuticle area with the hand file just to get it to the shape of my cuticle area, and then go in with the gel. And I don't base coat all of the nails at once. I do them one by one just so that no dust or nothing gets on them. So that's something to be mindful of if you want adhesion for a long time. So then I decided to take this metal spatula instead and press on the glue instead. And this worked way better because the metal spatula is really hard. It allowed me to really push that product around and make it flat and do what I needed to be done, because the brush just wasn't working out. It was way too soft and I had too much going on with it. But as you guys can see, it's moving way easier because the gel is a hard gel, y'all. It's not soft. You have to really push it to get it to go where you need it to go. But what I love about it, it doesn't set quickly or anything. Like, it's not going to set until you put it under the lamp, so you can really work it in and press it in and do all of that. So I think it's super duper beginner friendly and y'all should get it. And it has no smell. It didn't make my nails hurt. I wasn't sensitive, nothing. It was perfect. So I'm just going in again, y'all, pressing that in, and the little lines of demarcation that you guys see inside the nail, it goes away once you cure it, so you'll be fine. So now I'm going to go in one more time and do another nail just so you guys can kind of see the process of me doing it, and I'll be back. Alright, y'all, so now I'm going in around the cuticle area and I'm just getting any excess gel that went around the nail when I was pressing it in to cure it. I'm just getting that off and kind of flushing it to my cuticle area so it can look more natural and not so press-on-ish, you know what I mean? Because I gotta serve at this baby shower, y'all. I do not want them to know my business and know I got on press-ons. So I had to make sure they looked good. So I'm just going around the cuticle, flushing it, and I'm going to do that to all of the nails. Alright, y'all, so now that I'm done with that, I'm going to just brush off any excess powder or, residue off of the nails. And I'm going to go in with a little bit of acetone and go around the cuticle. And this just kind of melts it in, if you know what I mean. Like how you melt your lace, it kind of melts your cuticle. So I'm going to go in with some top coat. And y'all, I'm not going to cure the top coat for a minute. I'm going to cure it for 15 seconds because I do have some chrome that I want to rub on it to kind of give it that, that chrome vibe, little iridescent look. So I cured it for about 15 seconds, and this is how it looks. Now I'm rubbing in that chrome, and it was coming together real nice. So I'm just rubbing that in my jaw. I was in a rush, and I decided to do this. I don't know why I just didn't leave it plain. That's my problem. I always want to be extra. I always want to add extra stuff to the nails. But if you want to leave these nails plain, you definitely can because they look really good. It looks like a really nice job done at a nail salon. So if you don't want to do all of this, you don't have to. I just wanted to because I was going to a baby shower and I just wanted to be festive. And so I'm rubbing that in, and I'm going to do the same process to all of the nails. But I didn't use like any chrome polish. I just put some top coat for 15 seconds, y'all, and just rubbed it in where it was tacky. So I'm curing all of the nails, and I'm going to do the same thing over and over again to all of the nails. Alright, y'all, so I got these little mini Kawaii Charms from Shein, and I was too excited to use them. So I was like, oh, I'm going to use these for the baby shower. So I'm basically just selecting which ones I'm thinking about using. I pulled out way more than I needed just so that I can kind of pick them as I'm applying them and see which way I want to go with it because I have so many. And they're so cute. I can't wait to do like a full Kawaii extra long set with these, but for today, we're going to apply them to the press-ons, and I'm just picking out, like, what looks baby shower-ish, like, what's giving happy mommy, happy baby. So I'm just clicking around, looking around, and I'm like, I don't know. I'm just trying to pick, like, the little bears, little flowers, little hearts, because I just want it to be fun. So I decided to select a few, and then I had these hearts in here, and I didn't even end up using the hearts, y'all. I was just picking a bunch. And then this bow I really like. And then I went into this Kawaii pack. Y'all, I have a lot. So stay tuned for my Shein haul because I bought a bunch. So I went into this one and I got the little lollipop. And I was like, okay, that's cute. Get your baby cavities, period. So I'm like, okay, let's go ahead and get these little Kawaii Charms applied. So I'm going in with my makartt nail glue, my absolute favorite. But I do want to try the Zule nails. Let me know if y'all have the Zule nails one because I want to try that one. So I'm just applying it with my little tweezer, pushing it in, making sure that it's really, secure, and curing all of the nails after I apply them because they will move around. So I decided to add a little bear right here. So I was like looking at it, and I was like, I don't know if I like this bear too much. But we moved, so I decided to change the location of that bear, put it on the middle finger, and then apply the bow. And then I applied this heart to the pinky finger. And I was like, wow, this is really coming along better than I thought. Like, I thought it would give like too much because they aren't like super long nails, but it came out super cute. So I'm going in with these little mini flowers, and I'm just going to do like a little flower cluster just to make it girly, just to make it fun. And I was really feeling it, y'all. Like, I was excited doing these. I'm like, oh my gosh, like if I was in a rush for my baby shower, I would definitely do these. For sure. If you're trying to save some money and you just feel like, I already bought your baby a gift, I'm not trying to go pay to get my nails done, y'all definitely get these. So I'm just going around my cuticle area and oiling my hands, because my hands be giving grandma. It's in my genetics. All of my family's hands look like this. I do not have hand model hands, so I gotta keep my nails done, y'all, because they be looking crusty or just wrinkly. But I went ahead and showed y'all. I'm gonna show you guys how they look outside, like in the car, because this lighting does not do them justice, y'all. They were so cute. I got so many compliments. People were like, dang, these are cute. I was like, yeah, girl, they some press-ons. They were like, for real. I was like, yeah, they $50 press-ons, girl, but period. But be sure to like and subscribe to my channel. I'll see you guys next time. Love y'all. Bye.